Hi guys, it's Mama Lo. This is my Bongo Boni. Okay, this is what happened now. There are plenty of oil spreading. One can see. I don't know what happened. I think I just overhaul this bongo. Okay. See how oil is spreading out. I need to check this. I'm going to invite mechanic here. Okay guys, it's Mama Lo guys. Okay, bye. Oh, this is March 4, 2025. Okay, this is the way you are going to spray the patan of the sugar cane. Okay, you have to spread first, then after all will be occupied already by the patan area, all the rows, you have to cover it. They are covering. See, they're covering. So okay guys, it's Mama Lo guys. Okay, I'm just finished having doing the registration of my Bongo Boni. I just came from Maramag. Okay, so this is how now. Very busy guy. I don't know. Okay, it's my daughter. Okay guys, bye bye guys, Mama Lo. Okay.